move. She'll boogie. Hey everybody, today is Wednesday. Holy crap. Yeah, it's garbage day here. Isn't it garbage day every day here? No, anyway, transmission's on its way back. The transmission shop was able to fix the transmission. As you see here, this is what they found. They found two pump sealing rings were for a 4R70W rather than an AOD. The gasket was ripped. The valves were stuck. So kind of what we predicted. We had a pump problem. It was pressure loss, and they found it immediately. Thank you, buddy, for coming. You're wore out. I know.
It is what it is.
Thank you, buddy.
We gotta make sure that things happen.
Yeah.
And then the old Dodge. Whew, old trusty.
Thank you, buddy.
You have a good day.
You too. And
see you this weekend.
thank you much, bud.
Yep.
All right, everybody, so Kevin just dropped off the transmission. He's heading home to get some sleep, and I'm going to gingerly put this thing in. All right, here we go. Okay, she slid right in. Sometimes they don't. They burr up right in here, and then you really should drill a hole back here and pop it forward. But I was able to give it a little love tap, and it pushed forward. I didn't put any pressure on the back of that pump. Okay guys, on the low car shifter, you got to go into the assembly ears. This is where you would put it on a stand to rotate it. Well, these lugs got to go in that hold the shifter here, and then it bolts to the back of the trans here. I'm going to run these down, lock those down, but before I do that, I want to make sure I get these nice and comfortable in there. And that's it. We'll lock these down, lock nut them, we'll put a little blue Loctite on them, and we'll just torque these down to spec on the tail housing here. right, everybody, we're at the point now. We got the exhaust in. Everything's checked and double checked. I made sure everything's tight on this truck. So the only thing I do now is shifter. I'll do that. I'm going to lower the truck down, tighten the 2 bolts in the top that you saw in the previous video. I'm going to snug those down in the top. And then we're going to start putting fluid in this thing, filling her up. And then maybe we'll fire it off and see if we'll get through some gears. Maybe we might have some action with this. go into overdrive when you get up a little bit more speed. You can manually shift it too. And like I say, just take your time with it. All right, everyone. Transmission checks out good. It needs basic drive time. It's got a shift kit, so it's holding it out to about 3, and then it does go into overdrive. It does everything. So glad that Doyce was able to drive his truck. That is a big deal. But I do want to thank everybody that helped us with this job, and thanks to Doyce and his vision, we were able to make it come to life. Everyone, thank you for your time. We will see you in the next video. We appreciate you. See you soon. Take care.